Hi, my name is Peter Holland and I am a snorer. Not just any snorer, I'm in fact a world-class snorer.
Hi, I'm Lynn and I am married to a snorer. Not just any snorer, but the world's worst snorer.
My snoring became so infamous that it actually got me featured on the BBC, on a main UK TV channel, prime time.
We'll reflex our muscles. And where shall we go this week? Shall we go down to the southwest? Shall we go to Scotland? Maybe pop over to Northern Ireland? Where shall we go? I think we will go and meet this week's star of NTV, Peter Holland. Hello, Pete. Hello, Peter. Hi. Hello. Hello, Peter. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
There's a man in my window.
Yes, and there's the nation on your rug. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Try and rearrange yourself. You're not in your most flattering position at the moment. How are you?
Out of the room then.
Yeah, good to see you.
Thank you.
I bet you're very, very bubbly tonight, aren't you?
I'm trying to get there, Noel. Yeah.
Yes, yeah. You went to the game?
Yes.
Yes. Aston Villa?
Yes.
And the score?
Well, I didn't actually, but they did.
And that's with your wife sitting next to you, you're talking like that. Right, now, I know a little bit about you, Peter.
Oh, no.
Yes. And I've got one of your garments here, which...
I am dreaming.
I think... one of your expressions is, have I got a secret, or something like that, isn't it? So what's all this about, then?
I have some obnoxious habits, Noel.
Yes? Yes, anything particular you want to share with us?
I snore.
You snore?
Snore.
Well, that's not really a big problem, is it? Is it a big problem? Who generally finds it a big problem, then?
Just about everybody that sleeps with me, Noel. Not in the biblical sense. No, I mean, my wife.
All right, we'll gloss over that if you don't mind. What a busy fellow you are. We're very, very lucky because at the moment I bet there's a lot of people watching you and they're thinking, oh, snoring, that's no big problem. But we do have a video of you snoring.
Oh, you got it.
And I think the nation can now see just exactly what the scale of the problem is. It's big. When you're snoring, what sort of action is normally taken against you?
Well, I've only got other people's words for this, but I've had things thrown at me and I've been hit with things and people try to smother me and that sort of thing.
Yeah, I don't think you're being totally honest with us because I know for a fact you are sent to the Huffy bed. There he is. Just man to man on this one, Peter. Why do you sleep sniffing your left armpit?
Because it's better than the right one, though.
Right, hi Pete, Lynn. You have a snoring problem, or you used to have. How bad was it, Lynn?
It was so bad, Nigel. I can't believe that we're still married after all these years. I have probably not slept very much in all our married life, and the problem just got worse the older Peter got.
So, Peter, what kind of things have you done that's, to try and cure the problem?
Well, I've done all the usual things really. I've had the sprays, I've had the special pillows, scented pillows, had devices that clamp in my mouth, I've had those interesting little plasters that go across your nose and are supposed to hold that open. I've done pretty much everything really. After reading about people that were professional singers, opera singers and so forth, who don't have this problem, I decided to look into what sort of exercises I could do to strengthen that, and actually found this program that I think you two should have a look at, because it's really worked wonders. It's gone to the root cause of the problem, and I'm just getting better all the time. I now have a good night's sleep, and so does my wife, which is even more important, I think. So you know, I think probably you should take a look at this, because it's certainly helped me, it's certainly helped my wife, and you know, it's no longer an embarrassment. I can go and stay in people's houses. I couldn't do that. I couldn't share a room on a golf trip with anybody. You know, it was just horrendous, really. I mean, it was a laugh at one time, but it did become a real bugbear, and I was damaging my own health. So take a look. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to the solution itself, and there's a lot of stuff you can start doing virtually straight away that will help. And obviously it's a full program, you can find out more about it, but there's stuff you can do right now. Click on the link below, you've got nothing to lose.